what the heck. Weird. Jesus. These are screwed. Wow, this elevator is screwed up. Look, you can still see the rounded top of the cab. That's nice at least. And slow these things are. Damn. Anyway, there's the phone. Jesus, these things are screwed up. Oh, look at this weird color scheme. Smells funky up here too. Wow, they really modded the crap out of these with no regard for the antiquity. Stop run button. I'm afraid of that. That scares me. I don't want to even touch that. Now that I think of it, I have to pee. Of course, this elevator's slow as shit. I'm never gonna get out of here. It's one of those things where it's like, damn, why'd I even start filming this one? I really gotta pee.